As controversial as it is loved. All you need to prepare one of Italians' favorite dishes is pork jowl, tomato and pecorino cheese. You know what I'm talking about, right? Spaghetti alla matriciana. Let's cook them together. Let's start with the pork jowl. The first thing to do is to get rid of the rind. I'm saving it because I can use it for other recipes. Then from this piece I get 1 centimeter thick slices, and then some strips of about half an inch. In a saucepan just a drop of oil, and as soon as the bottom is warm, I add the pork jowl. I'm going to add a chili. I'll let it brown gently. The pork has become quite crispy, the fat transparent. It means that the time's come to blend it with white wine. I'll raise the temperature a little and let it evaporate. I'll remove the pork jowl. I strain the peeled tomatoes by hand and let them cook for about 10 minutes. There's a very little left to finish cooking the spaghetti. I take out the chili from the sauce, then add salt and ground pork. I can finally dip the spaghetti in the dressing. A little bit of pasta water, and I mix everything. A touch of pecorino can't miss. This is a dish that makes everyone agree at the table, and I can't wait to taste it. Did this recipe make you hungry? Cook it yourself, and then let me know.